Okay, everybody, we decided to come out here to the Jesse Owens State Park Wildlife Area. It's got the Miners Memorial Park. It's a monument of the achievements of the men and women from AEP, and it is located along Route 78, about 10 miles east of Mcconnellsville, Ohio. It has on here, it's got the Big Muskie. It's the largest dragline ever built. It was from 1969 to 1991. It moved 483 million tons of rock and soil. Miners Memorial Park is 220 cubic yards, 240-ton bucket from Big Muskie. And also here you'll see the Wall of Honor listing the names of the employees of Central Ohio Coal Company, which operated the Big Muskie. And the park's structural facilities are made of 50-year-old red oak trees planted by miners on reclaimed land. And now I'm going to take you up so you can see the Big Muskie. There is the motorcycle. We brought the motorcycle up today for just a little ride. Of course, he has to stop at the first place he comes to, the bathroom. It's a pretty area up here, though. And there he comes. This thing up here is called the Muskie Bucket. It's different. It's huge. It's a real pretty area, though. The thing is very, very big. Look at that huge chain there. That chain is very, very thick and huge. Here's like the end of the bucket. Going around outside. There's that chain over here on this side. This thing is very thick. Definitely won't break that chain. At least with your hands. Big boulder rocks sitting here by it. Oh, nature down there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's the other side of the musky bucket. I can't get close enough to that chain. I don't want to climb the rocks. This is not to. Look how thick that baby is, though. And look how big that sucker is. Beautiful nature. Here's the front of this bucket. I gotta back up just to be able to get all of it in there. That thing's huge. Walking back was a quite trip. There goes outside up in there. Look how little he is compared to that big bucket. That's crazy. I'll walk up here and walk in it. He looks like an ant in this big thing. Hey, you can see my shadow. My glasses on top of my head. It's terrible. I can't see with them on. Oops. Pretty awesome, really. Wow. This thing is huge. You feel like you're a small little thing in this thing. Okay, we'll go look at some things and shows maybe some information about it. Guess if I would have been looking down, I would have saw that step drop down when I was going in. Oh, y'all get to know me pretty soon. I'm clumsy, like on Smurfs, clumsy. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's a big muskie. Oh man. It's kind of bright here, turning cool to power. Sure, you probably can't see it because the sun is so bright.
I want to read all that. You can always Google.
Yeah, you can Google musky bucket and it pulls up all the information about it. And there's this here. Trying to get all of it in my phone. It's really pretty up here. Got the flags. That grass stuff. I was reading electric meters one time, and I had to go in some of that stuff to read a meter, and I got jigger bites all over me. Not sure how good that's going to be because of the sun. Nice little bench you can sit on there if you want to take a break and just sit and relax and enjoy the beauty out here. Outside's always 5 miles ahead of me. I just walk along and I make it there eventually. Wow. I guess this is where all the names are of the people that have worked here on this. Lots and lots and lots and lots of names. Wow. Look at all these names. Wow. I can see my shadow. This gives you an idea how many people there were. Wow. Hundreds of people. And AEP. Alright, I'm not sure which direction he went, but I think I'm walking the wrong way. He must have went on down the hill or something. I don't see him. There's little picnic tables up here. You can come up and sit, have a nice little picnic or something. Oops. Dip in the road. Early ride. Hopefully this is which way he went. So they have a little building down here with, I think, information probably in it. Goes out a cycle. Oh, I'm not sure where he went. But well, we're down here now. And there you have it, folks. We come out here to show you the muskie bucket and try to give you a little bit of information on it. You can always Google it if you want to know any more about it or anything. And we're back up by the flags. Look at them wave in the wind. There's the bucket again.
Go for the brother, please.
Dad, 1 second.
What? What?
What kind of tackle was that?
A drag line.
Mom, it's like a wall in American Ninja Warrior.
Hello. At the muskie
Stand together,
bucket.
guys.
Oh, sorry.
You're,
Not you. Hold on.
you're okay. And we're going to head out and start heading back home, everybody. Over and out. Have a great day, everybody.